to feel like the bus has always just been there. We grab it, we flag it, we chase it, we catch it, we miss it, we wait for it, we rely on it and we trust it. We're happy to see it. It's an old friend, a member of the community. It's part of our history and part of our future. Dublin Bus, it's always there.
Dublin Bus has always been about serving every customer and keeping our city moving. In fact, every year we help millions of people complete their journey for school, for work, or for fun. And we change with the pace of the city, connecting new communities with new routes, new buses, and our new technologies. Our low-emission fleet, our sustainability initiatives, and our depot investment mean we are set to meet Dublin's transport needs now and into the future.
As one of the biggest employers in the country, Dublin Bus has a world-class team that is now 3,500 people strong.
With every change and update we make to our service and our infrastructure, we do it so we can help more customers get to the places they need to go in a faster, cleaner, safer and friendlier way.
Now, the reimagined historic Broadstone Depot is the most recent development in Dublin Bus's continuing growth strategy, and we'd like to take a minute to walk you through it.
Broadstone Depot has been part of Ireland's transport infrastructure since 1850. It's one of 8 Dublin Bus depots, and it's now home to 120 buses and 300 employees. Walking through this building is like walking through a corner of Dublin's history. You can almost hear the voices of the people who have worked here over generations. It was, and now again is, a large and proud employer in the area and is still very much part of the community. This building is owned by future generations, and we've been careful to preserve it and bring it back to life. We retained the old overhead gantry cranes and restored the original cast iron structure. Every restoration detail has been considered to reduce emissions and our carbon footprint. We've even built a wall of swift nesting boxes. Dublin Bus is proud to invest in the industrial heritage of the site and to develop modern fleet maintenance facilities in Broadstone, which has such a long transport history. This new depot is another step forward in our contribution to enhancing the lives of the people we proudly serve, socially, economically and sustainably, whilst providing a reliable, safe, efficient and well-run bus service.
As not only Broadstone has shown us, Dublin Bus features prominently in the memory of most Dubliners' lives. A first trip to college, a first date, an exciting day out with the family to see the Panto. Shopping bags, looking out foggy windows on a dark and rainy night. Each and every time it takes you there and brings you home, safe and warm.
And that's what we're here for, then, now and well into the future. Because it's not just Dublin Bus, it's your bus.